Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pravin and my aim is to help you to improve your artwork. In last video you learned how to draw perfect outline. In today's video we are going to continue the next part of the video, shading of eyes. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First of all, draw the edges of iris darker. Then fill the inner area with nice and smooth fade. After that, make the detailed texture on it. Now make the eye border little bit darker, then apply the layers faint to dark. Then it will become really very smooth and creamy surface. Blend the layers using the cotton stub that merges the dark and faint areas easily. Then focus on small detailing. Draw the left eye similarly. Keep practicing on your skill. If you have any problem related drawing, you can ask me in comment. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.